Hey everybody, welcome back to a new project. Today I present 2007 Ford Ranger Sport. I know a lot of you are going to be happy since I sold my 2002 Ranger Edge. The Sport model is essentially the Edge. They changed the name to Sport. Picked this up last night. And it's a little rough around the edges, needs some TLC, but it's perfect for the channel. Has 31, 10, 5, 15s on it. Toyo Open Country. As you can see, it's the Super Cab model. This one, I think they call it the Sport Plus. It has power windows, locks, air conditioning, cruise. This one is automatic transmission, unlike my 2002, which was a 5-speed. This also has the updated steering wheel, dash configuration, but not the latest version of the dashboard. I'm not sure when they came out with that. This is a 2007, I think maybe 2009. I'm not 100% sure. This does have the updated mirrors on it, the updated badges, and like I mentioned, well, maybe I didn't mention, this is actually it's two-wheel drive on the four-wheel drive chassis. And it's definitely in need of some TLC, but nothing I can't handle. Typical, all the emblems are always faded. We'll remedy that. Polish out the headlights, or honestly, they're just cheap enough, probably just to replace them. The hood is, the clear coat is going on this. I doubt I'll be able to save this, but fortunately this is just a flat black, or not a flat black, not a metallic black, I should say. So I can easily sand that down and refinish it. Same with the roof. This does have fog lights, obviously. Updated grille. I do like the fender flares on this. These pocket style flares, they're pretty cool. It does have some dings and stuff on it, which are not a big deal. I've got a dent guy that can take, there's one right there. A couple various ones all over the truck. Those can easily be taken out. Not worried about those at all. The wheels are KMC. That's all I know about them. I don't know anything else on backspace or anything. I know everyone's probably going to want to ask, but I haven't touched this. It was parked here last night and hasn't moved since. It's been so hot today. I wanted to wait for it to cool down a little bit. So got about 45 minutes of sunlight left. But tomorrow I'm gonna start cleaning this thing. Definitely gonna give the outside a good wash. Engine bay is absolutely filthy. Clean the wheels, probably power wash underneath it and everything like that. So it already came with this spray on bed lining. I don't know what the brand is. It's dirty. It has a rubber mat inside there, which that'll clean out. It is missing that trim panel for the tailgate. Fortunately, those things are only like 32 bucks brand new, so I can get one from my Ford dealer, and it has the screws on there, thankfully. So I'll just get it, I'll paint it black, and it'll be totally fine. Sliding rear window, which my 2002 did not have, so I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, I haven't touched this. This is exactly how I picked it up. I wanted to show it before I did anything. So let's take a look on the inside. Here on the inside, kind of dirty. I wouldn't say it's filthy, but the seats definitely need a good cleaning, and I've got a steam cleaner, so we'll definitely be doing that. Cleaning everything, cleaning the dash, door panels. Small things like this need to be refinished. It's just kind of It's got like a soft material on there that started to come off, so no big deal. We'll clean all this up. And this already has, probably get it better from the other side. I'll show you over there. But the driver's seat, the seam is split. So if anybody knows where I can get one of these 60/40 seats, the driver's entire seat or just the bottom cushion, please let me know. It's I guess the gray and dark gray and light gray combination. But the rest of it is all in really good shape. It'll all clean up, it'll look great. Of course, these always had rubber floor mats. Little center console. Headliner. The dome cover fell off. I see the tabs broken, so I did order another one. I'll have that probably in about a week or so. Let's go look at the other side. All right, here on the inside, yeah, it has a Pioneer. Sorry, the lighting is really bad this time of night as far as glare goes. Pioneer double din. It actually, on camera, it makes it look like it's a bad install, but it's actually a nice install. It's got nice trim pieces around there, so, and it sounds really good, so I'm not going to worry about it. It has a backup camera, so it's updated gauge cluster. I'm not going to leave this here, this microphone. I'm going to put this up on the visor. But as far as mileage, it's got some miles on it. 163,984. There's the stereo. Turn this off. Everything on this truck works. Ice cold AC, power windows, locks. I didn't try the cruise. I don't care if that works or not. I have no reason to believe it doesn't. Lights, everything. Again, need some TLC on this door panel. All that kind of soft touch stuff is come off, but that's easy enough to sand down and refinish. All this plastic will definitely clean up. And everything's pretty good. The steering wheel is shot. You know, the rubber's all deteriorated right there. I don't care. That's okay. I've already gone onto eBay and got a new leather wrapped actual steering wheel out of a much probably higher trim level. So we'll be swapping that out in a video. But I definitely like these updated gauges. I think those are pretty cool with the white background. And yeah, you can't even see the lights right now, but they light up green. So let's take a look under the hood. This is the 3.0 V6 and the 5-speed automatic transmission. And I'm pretty happy with that combination. I know the 4.0s have more power, but they also have timing chain issues. And a lot of these trucks that I looked at that were the 4.0s all had over 200,000 miles and they were noisy. So I'm happy to avoid that and have a little bit less power, or a lot less, whatever. But you know what I mean. Yeah, definitely need to do something about that finish on the hood. Under the hood here, it's pretty dirty, but don't really see any leaks or anything. The truck runs really well. Nothing I can't clean up. In fact, tomorrow this will probably be looking a whole lot better. The hood pad has definitely seen better days. It's definitely in need of replacement. In fact, I may end up just taking that off for now. But I can polish out the lights. I'll probably try to polish these. Like I said, they are cheap enough to replace. It's no big deal. You can get for like 50 bucks, you can get a set of markers and headlights. Definitely polish out the fog lights though. And needs a good cleaning. Definitely some paint touch up. I can refinish this probably the same time that I do the hood and the roof, probably the mirror caps. The rest of it should polish out. So this is the project's first introduction. I'm sure a lot of you are probably excited to see another Ranger on the channel. Had quite a following with my 2002, and I'll have definitely tons and tons more videos coming your way for this one. So as far as price, I'm not going to say what I paid for it. It was not a deal. I did not get a deal on this thing, but the prices of trucks where I live right now in Southern California are just through the roof. Anything that goes for sale is usually sold within a couple minutes. And I didn't pay full price for this, I will say that. I did get some money off, but wasn't as good a deal as I would have liked. But that's okay, I got it. And I can't wait to break out the power washer tomorrow and start cleaning this thing. So lots more videos to follow. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Again, 2007 Ford Ranger Sport. It's pretty much the same as the Edge. This is a 2-wheel drive on the 4-wheel drive chassis. So I can tell you for the immediate future, I am not going to lift this one. Circumstances dictate that I keep this one lower for now, but that's okay. Doesn't mean I can't, mess around with everything else. Doesn't mean it won't be lifted in the future. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment below, and I read all the comments, respond to everything. So let me know what you think. I guess until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.